Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing a build. It was from Eagle Moss, transferred to FANHOME. It is built the 1967 Mustang Eleanor, gone in 60 seconds. This is pack 25, and last time I finished with this, we've done issue, I believe it was this one, yep. So this is issue 96, I believe. Yep, there we go. 96. So we will be continuing to do 97. So we're gonna be doing 97 today. I thought I'd bring this back. I've waited for all the parts to come in, and I've just trying to catch up really on all my builds, so I'm quite excited to get this done. Hopefully we will get this done as soon as possible, because there's still a lot of my other builds that needs to be finished. So this is pack, this is coming in the next pack, and yeah, let's get on with this. So let's get going. So this is issue 97. I'm well excited about this. I could see a Eleanor badge. Really, this should be Mustang badge, and I don't know, I might not right now. We see. If I get bored, I could always change that and make my own, mod it and put a Shelby badge. Goodness me, this is more difficult than I made it look. But, okay. Let's try to get this out carefully. And there we go. This has been a long time coming. We're going to need the hinges. These are metal. And we're going to need DSO2 screws. So let's just try find, I think I could see them here. DSO2 right there. So let's just move this for now out our way. This is our boot lid that we was working from our other issue. So we're going to now carefully, let's just put down a rag to protect the paintwork. And let's place that like that. And we need to identify which is which now. So is there a, I think that shows a number 1 there. Okay, let's just find out. So we're going to put it like that. Okay. So it will go this way round, just like that. You can see it fits exactly where the holes is. I can't see any other way if he was to do. Okay, let's try. See, you can see it won't go that way because the holes don't line up. So we do know it's this way because the holes line up. So hopefully you could see what I'm doing. Let's open up our screws. Goodness me, I'm so excited. I hope I get this done as soon as possible. Like I said, it's been a long time since we've been on this. We need to get 4 screws out. And I'm going to put a bit of oil, which I have in my pot. Let's get this all screwed in place. So 2 here and 2 on this side. So making sure they're nice and tight. I did try to line it up as best as possible. So I believe that's now done. Let's see what else needs to be done on the other side. we need now our rear section. Let's carefully take this away. And our Eleanor emblem. And everything's gone flying. Let's try. Where was these? I'm really not sure now. So we need that. And we need some screws as well. So it is a PS12. So let's try find where that is. Is that PS12? And that is PS12. So this is our Eleanor badge. Looking pretty awesome, but it's quite simple really to put a different sticker on top of that, which we might do. So you can see a smaller hole and a bigger hole. The top one you can see where it goes. It's just to identify which way it goes. So let's just push that in just like that. Open up our bag. So that is PS12. I'm not sure if this screwdriver is small enough. Let's just see. I think it might do. So just there, right in the middle. Lovely. So that's now done. We're going to need now our body, so let's get that now. So I got our amazing body. I've really missed mine. You can see I've done a modification on mine's. There's a lot. Can't show you the front. Goodness me. Well, we will get that to that. So I'm gonna put this cloth down, and we need to flip this over carefully. But my front end, I've done quite a lot of modifications there, as you can see. So yeah, it all lights up. So we are working on the rear section, and we need this part, and you can see it has two pins. Hopefully you can see just there and there, and in here, maybe if I get my camera, you can see the two pins line up just like that, just there. And on the opposite side, there is a hole. I can't show you, well, this location, and it's that hole there on the opposite side that needs to be screwed in, and we need a PS17 screw. So no oil, as it's going into plastic, it's just going into this section. Okay, that seems to be screwed in place. So now we need our boot lid. So like that, just flip that over, and we need to get this into these sections here. Let's see, is it easy? There we go. And that seems to be okay. We need some plates. So the two plates are these two. So this will need to go like that, I believe. Let's just get this correct. One there and one here. So you need DSO2 screws. So two of these. So I just need to screw this back in. I think that's screwed in place. I had to change over screwdrivers. Seems to be lining up. So we have something else now to do. Okay, we have our rear section. So it's this where we put our emblem. Now you can see there is 2 locations here and 2 locations here. This is where we need to put our screws. So facing that way around, I'm not actually flipped over anything, left it as it is. It lines up like that, and it's just located one here and one there and one there and one there. So we need DSO4 screws. So let's just open that up. So line this back up, and it is metal, so I'll put a bit of oil on that. And let's just get this now in place. So that's 2 that side screwed in. Now we have 2 more this side. So that's now screwed in place, all these 4. We have 2 more here and here, and those are the same screws, and they are DSO4 screws. So let's just get those 2 last ones in place. So that's the end of this issue. So let's see if we can flip this over. And that's looking pretty good. See our back. My camera. I will try and see if I could get at the end of this, maybe with a mobile phone, take some angles for use. But let's get this out the way. So this is issue 98. Getting well excited about all of this coming together. I can't believe it, really. So these are our reverse lights. I really hope everything's working as it should. And PSO5 screws. We have cover and lenses. Okay, so let's get on with this. So we need to put our body back down. Let's try flip this over again. And let's just line everything up a bit. Okay, so this is our lens, and you can see with this like an arrow pointing, this is curved. That will go to the outside. Now if it was flipped over, this is the side it will need to go in. And I'm so sorry about these angles, but that just goes to the back. Oh goodness me, just there. And you can see it, 2 of the locations just goes here. Now we need our lights, and with the cable towards this side and the green side, so the LEDs will fit into this panel. Let's carefully bend this around, and that just slots in place, like you can see. So this is the cover. So I believe that's the back of it, where it shows number 1, and you can see there's like a little groove notch that you need to just flip it over, and that should just fit like so. And we need to screw this in place, so we need some screws. So there are 2 PS05 screws. So let's try and hold everything together. So you can see there's a cutout where the screws are. Just need to line this up carefully. It's going into plastic, so no oil needed. Onto the screws. Hopefully this is lined up. Let's just see. And yes, it is. So that's now screwed in place. And that is the end of pack 25, which I'm happy to announce. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'd be able to take some shots. I'm gonna try for you just to show you what I've done. It looks great. So that's my front end. So you can see there's the modifications with the metal grille, blue lenses, white lenses, these catches. You can see they are very different from the way you would have yours. And this is what we've been working on this pack. So everything seems to be really good, catching. Everything looks in line, so yeah. So that's about it. And yeah, so with that said, if you could do us a big favor, if you could hit that subscribe button and thumbs up, that would be helping us a lot. And thanks again for all your support, and look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks a lot again. See you soon. Bye.